Hello humans, this is Mr. Eshelman with a tutorial video for you today for one of the platforms we'll be using to share lesson videos with you, and that's called EdPuzzle. So taking a look at my screen, I want to show you how you get to an EdPuzzle video, how you get credit for the EdPuzzle videos that you watch, and a little bit about how that works. So first of all, let's take a look at a test classroom I've set up to demonstrate this. This is a classwork section. You'll see things like this, and you'll see assignments posted that would indicate it's a video to watch, like an EdPuzzle video, like these. So if I want to do one of those assignments, I go here, and I'd like you to read all the instructions, as I always do, and then click this link to the linked video in EdPuzzle. Okay, now this will work on a tablet or a computer, of course. On a tablet, it may pop up or even ask you where you want to open it. There's an EdPuzzle app, which you may or may not have access to, but really it's okay. You can just open it in Chrome or Safari, whatever browser you're using. All right, and the first time you're doing this, if you aren't set up yet in My Classroom in EdPuzzle, then you'll be asked to sign in with Google. And when you sign in, this is actually, you may not be able to watch it right away because I need basically to sync up who's in the EdPuzzle classroom with who's in the Google Classroom, and at the start of the year when we're just all joining Google Classroom, I may not have done that yet. So basically, if you get this message that says ask your teacher to add you to Google Classroom to Connected Class, you can't watch it quite yet, but what I do want you to do is send me a message in that assignment. It can be either a class comment or a private comment, and just basically a message that says, I need to be added to EdPuzzle. Okay? So you would send that to me, I would receive it, and then I'd know I need to sync up my classes. Now, what happens when you're already set up in the class and everything works? We're going to take a look at that. So this is another student who is already set up in the EdPuzzle classroom because I added them. And when they click this link, it takes them to EdPuzzle and it takes them to a video to watch. Alright? Most of what comes after here is very self-explanatory. You start watching the video. So you're going to start watching this video in EdPuzzle, and then you'll notice at certain points, like right now, the video will come to a stop. And there'll be a question pop up either to the right or wherever there's space on your screen or the tablet you're using. And before you move forward, you have to answer that question and then click continue. Alright, also, if you try and skip ahead, I probably have settings enabled for a lot of videos that won't let you skip ahead because they're important to watch the whole thing. That's why I post them for you to watch. So, EdPuzzle basically, if you're following the instructions as you go, you're going to learn the lessons for the day. You're going to have questions pop up that let me test for your understanding, and you learn a little bit more as you answer questions, and you're going to get credit for the day. EdPuzzle is going to do all those things. It is super important that you get into EdPuzzle and you watch videos on that platform. It's going to be a complete key to your success in my classes. Okay? So hopefully that's enough to get you rolling. Have a wonderful day.